In this video, I'll show you how to find and delete these hidden files step by step without installing any extra apps. Welcome back to the channel. Let's clean your phone and get back your lost storage. First, we need a tool that is already on your phone. Open your File Manager app. Samsung Android phones call it My Files. Other Android phones may call it File Manager or Files. Once you open it, we need to turn on Hidden Files. Tap the three dots in the top right corner. Then choose Settings. Look for an option called Show Hidden System Files. Turn this option on. Now your phone will reveal folders that are normally hidden. Step 2. Find hidden junk files. Go back to the main file manager screen. Open internal storage. Now you can see all folders on your phone. One folder we need to check is related to apps that create copies of your files. For example, messaging apps like WhatsApp can create hidden copies of every photo and video you send. Over time, these copies can take up gigabytes of space. Step 3. Delete hidden WhatsApp copies. Open this path. Android, Media, Com WhatsApp, WhatsApp, Media. Now you will see folders like WhatsApp images. Open it. Here you may find many photos that you already have in your gallery. These are often duplicate copies. Tap and hold to select files. Then press delete. Do the same for WhatsApp videos. Remove old videos that you no longer need. Don't worry, you are mainly deleting duplicate copies stored by WhatsApp. Step 4. Empty the trash folder. Deleting files does not always free your storage immediately. Your phone usually moves deleted files into a trash folder first. Go back to the File Manager home page. Find Trash or Recycle bin. Open it. Select everything. Tap Delete permanently. Now your storage space will actually increase. Step 5. Clear app cache. Another hidden storage problem comes from apps. Apps like social media, video apps, and games store temporary files called cache. These files can become very large. To clear them, open Settings, go to Apps. Choose an app that uses a lot of storage. For example, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube. Tap Storage. First press Clear Cache. This removes temporary junk files. If you need to free even more space, you can choose Clear Data. But remember, this may log you out of the app, so make sure you remember your password first. Now repeat these steps for the biggest apps on your phone. After cleaning hidden folders, duplicate files, trash, and app cache, you may recover several gigabytes of storage. Your phone can become faster, smoother, and have more free space. If this video helped you, hit the like button and subscribe for more hidden phone tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.